One of the most disrespectful things someone could do to you is to walk out of your life without even saying thank you, or without even giving you any actual explanations when it comes to why they decided to walk out of your life. Because we are talking about somebody you've probably sacrificed a lot of things for. We're talking about somebody you had to convince yourself to allow them in your space. We're talking about somebody who already met your parents. We're talking about somebody whom you thought was gonna be with you for the rest of your life. But this person decided to walk away without any proper explanation. They just got up and left. Do you want to know what's even more disrespectful than that person? You keep expecting closure from that person. Yes. You are disrespecting yourself by allowing that person to still have control over you despite them leaving your life the way they did. And I know it's difficult, especially after getting attached to somebody, emotionally speaking, after understanding that this person is the one person you want to wake up to every day, after thinking this person was the one, but the person decided to walk away. But you not allowing yourself to move on is gonna hurt you even more. You keep thinking that this person is gonna give you that closure that you are so expecting. It's not gonna happen. And the worst case is that you could have met somebody better than that person. You could have already been in a relationship. You could have been married right now, but you keep holding on to the idea that this person is gonna come back to your life with some closure. It's not gonna happen. Because if the person had the nerve to walk out of your life after everything you've done for them, after everything you did with the person, after all the sacrifices that you done made for that person, if they did not see the issue with leaving you, they won't see any issue with not providing you with closure. And that's something you're gonna have to live with. Just let it go. You don't have to keep thinking about it. Understand this person was never worth your time. The person was never worth your love. You have to move on. You have to open up yourself for better possibilities. You have to give yourself a chance to move on, because keep thinking that this person is going to come back and provide you with closure is never going to happen. I need you to really think about this. Let's say that you invited somebody to a Thanksgiving dinner. All your family members are there, all your friends are there. For some reason, after the person got done eating, they got up, left the table without even saying thank you or goodbye. This is it. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This is how disrespectful it is. They took full advantage of the situation. They took full advantage of the relationship. They took full advantage of the moment and then walked out of your life like it was nothing. So please, stop disrespecting yourself by expecting closure from somebody who's not even worth it. On that note, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If I've missed something in the process, feel free to let me know in the comments below. For those of you who've been part of the community from the get-go, guys, we really appreciate everything that you do to support the channel. And if you are new around, on this channel, we give relationship advice. If this is something that you're into, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because we've got a lot to talk about. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.